This is the virtual tour of 942 Wescott Trail, apartment 104, here on September 22nd, 2017. So I just want to caution everybody that in the video it looks smaller than in real life. This room here in front of you, by the way, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit with a washer and dryer. Nice big kitchen. This first room here, it's about 26 by 12. When you come in, there's a secure entry panel, so you can buzz your friends in. That's a fire extinguisher, mini blinds on the windows, non-smoking unit, by the way. There's a closet right when you come in here. Closet's about 8 feet and about 2 feet deep. Nothing fancy with the closet, just kind of a standard closet, but it's plenty of room to hang your coats when you come in. The window overlooks kind of a little parking area and some woods back there, and we'll look at that more on the deck. So just park these, you can kind of see the wooded area. You can, if you got a dog, you can bring them out there in the woods. Parking area, and that's of course where the snow area is, and little deck. If you do have to smoke, you can sit outside and smoke. We'll pan around to the room. Once again, this is probably, you know, my measurements might be off by about 24 by 12, not what I said earlier. So 24 by 12. The kitchen, I'm going from memory here, is about 15 by about 10 feet wide. Plenty of kitchen cabinets. Good size freezer. Place to put all your stuff. Stove, it's like brand new. On the inside, nice and clean. Kitchen sink, very clean. Even the dishwasher, like spotless. This was remodeled in 2012, and we did a lot of work to it. So everything is relatively new. Bathroom is here's the main bathroom, or the common area bathroom, you could say. Everything is clean. Under the sink, nice and clean. So we're going to take a tour of the bedrooms here in a second. We've got a linen closet here. 5 shelves and plenty of room. So we're going to go to this bedroom here in the back. This is about 14 by 9, I think it is. Mini blinds on the window, kind of overlooking a wooded area. Closet, it's a 3-foot door, so the closet's about 4 feet wide by 2 feet deep. The middle bedroom, it's about 8 by 10, a little smaller than the other ones. Mini blinds, once again overlooking the wooded area. This closet, same as the other one, the door is open. Just pretty standard closet, about 4 feet by about 2 feet deep. Brand new carpet was put in this past week or so. So this is new carpet for the tenant. This room, if you noticed on the way by, is just the water heater and furnace room. That's a new furnace as well. Water heater's about 5 years old. Coming into the master bedroom. This is the one with the bathroom. So this room is a little bit wider. I think it's 11 by 13 or 14 or something like that. Closet, same as the others. 6-foot doors, 2 feet deep, so it's about 8 feet where the closet, 7.5 to 8 feet where the closet. Coming into the master bath. And see, it's got a shower curtain, towel bar, little room to store some more towels or whatever you might want to store. Tile floor in both bathrooms. I'm just kind of walk back out and we'll take another look at the kitchen. Bedrooms are pretty standard. We'll take a peek in here. This is the washer and dryer. Full size Samsung washer dryer. Breakfast bar, breakfast nook, whatever you want to call it. So that's the virtual tour of 942 Wescott Trail, apartment 104, here on the 22nd of September 2017. Plenty of kitchen cabinets there, nice good appliances, and that's it.